Let's get straight to it. 2008 Hyundai Sonata. This is the 3.3 liter engine. Alright, today we're changing the throttle body. This is what it looks like. And this is the gasket for it. So the first thing we're going to do is disconnect this negative battery terminal right here. Alright, so we need to remove this right here. It's a flat head for this one. And a 10mm for this one. And I'm going to pull this up. I'm going to set this out of the way. So now you can see the bolts here. It's one bolt there, one bolt here, and one bolt over here on the other side. Alright, right down here is normally a bolt right there to remove. So yours should have it, so remove that bolt. And right here we can remove this harness. So we'll just press that and unplug that harness. Yep, definitely. So the only thing should be left now is the coolant lines. So we can turn it like that. Alright, if you turn it this way, you can see the coolant lines right here. So we're gonna get a small pliers to get these off. There it is. So these are coolant lines, so we gotta make sure they're not hot when you take them off. Alright, we gotta get this last one off right here. Alright, we're gonna get our new one in. I'm gonna place the coolant hoses on first. Gonna get this bottom piece here in first. Now for this one, alright, let's get this old gasket out. We got this, we're using the pick just to reach in here and grab it and pull it out. Just like that. Alright, we're gonna put our new gasket in here. This one is blue for some reason. Alright, now let's get this back up against the gasket and lined up. I'm gonna get this top bolt in first to hold it steady. I'm not gonna tighten any of these bolts down, just gonna get them in loosely. Get the other ones in. And then the last one. Let's get this harness plugged in here at the bottom. So remember to connect down here as well on yours. All right, let's get this part back on. This one's a 10mm. This one here is a flathead or an 8mm. Let's get our negative battery terminal back on.